In just a few hours, we are going to be in Milano. We are waiting for our train. We are traveling to Milan for more than 2 hours, a little more than 2 hours. Thank you, Switzerland. It was quick but fun. Here's our train going to Italy. Almost 8 in the evening. We are leaving Switzerland with so much joy. It was a quick yet fun experience. Ciao! Guess what? We just arrived in one of the most stylish and iconic cities in the world, Milan, Italy. I know it's kinda late, so let's just do a quick room tour before that very much needed slumber.
Very basic. Pero maganda. Linis naman.
Oo.
Malinis. Sobrang malinis. As in. Oh. Pwede na. Pero walang mga basic amenities.
So far, ito ang pinaka-late namin gising for the past 6 days. Simula nung dumating kami dito sa Europa.
In fairness, may lift. Bibihira dito kasi sa Europe ang may lift.
Oh, by the way, our room was clean and the bed was comfortable. In short, that big stay, in general, was pleasant.
Pasya lang kami ng konti sa Milan. Tapos, punta na kami ng Venice. Hello! Look at the place. Very cozy. Maganda siya actually.
Today, we just decided to start the day late and sleep to our heart's content. Obviously, we woke up late and now heading to the front desk with our luggage for an early checkout.
Okay. How was the stay? Fine?
Yes, very nice. Thank you very much. Dito sa hotel, pwede kang mag-check out, deposit mo yung luggage mo. Good morning! We're going to explore the city for like 3 to 4 hours. So we're currently in Milan. This is our hotel. Hotel BB. Alright. Very clean naman. The hotel is 30 25 to 30 minutes from Milan Central Station.
Hindi mo gano'ng kamahal pamasahe? 2.2?
2.2.
Ito lang naman pupuntahan natin sa Baybay tayo.
Sabagay, walking distance na lang naman doon. Ay.
Known as one of the fashion capitals in the world, Milan is a blend of timeless elegance and cutting-edge style. No trip to Milan is complete without visiting the stunning Duomo Cathedral, one of the 5 largest cathedrals in the world.
Duomo Cathedral. Look at that! Made of marble. Just wow. Kinikilabutan ako. Ganda!
This enormous Gothic masterpiece, standing tall in the heart of the city, never fails to leave its audience in awe. The Duomo Cathedral, with its intricate Gothic architecture, stands as a testament to both artistry and patience. Its construction took 6 centuries. Imagine, way longer than the construction of Sagrada Familia in Barcelona. Its impressive scale boasts thousands of statues, spires, and stained glass windows, making it one of the most awe-inspiring landmarks in Europe.
Here in Milan, Duomo Cathedral.
Standing next to the cathedral is the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, which offers a world of luxury and sophistication.
Shopping district pala kami ng Milan.
This historic shopping arcade, one of the oldest in the world, is home to high-end boutiques and cafes, creating a perfect contrast to the old grandeur of the Duomo. It's where modern Milan shines through in its most stylish form. This intersection of history and modernity is what makes Milan so captivating. Whether you're admiring the stunning architecture or into luxury shopping. Obviously, this is why the city remains a global fashion capital.
Vittorio Emanuele, Milan.
Ano mga model?
Model lang, nawala ka na sa ano. Sino model? Nandito ako. This is where we're going to get our lunch. Yan ako. Ano, yan gusto mo?
Share na tayo. Yung pizza gusto ko isang piraso. Ay, malaki.
Oo, malaki yan, no? Ayun yung akin, no? Yun yung dulo. Hindi ko alam
Share
kung
na tayo.
ano. Ikaw, kung ano gusto mo.
Ay, sa'yo.
Yun. Yung may green. Ano sa'yo may hot?
Parang ano na.
O, di pa din natin maubos. Ano natin? It's okay.
Okay, 13 and 50.
There's another one.
Roll, roll.
Okay.
Yeah.
$13.
13.
Can I get many napkins, plates?
Chicken margherita.
Do you have plate? Plates?
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're eating where? Here.
Patata sa loob.
Napansin ko lang dito sa Europa, medyo common ang mga street performances. So nagsimula kami sa Amsterdam, meron, sa Brussels, meron din. Sa Switzerland, wala kaming nakitang street performance. Pero ito, ngayon sa Italia, specifically dito sa Milan, meron. So pag may nakikita kayong ganyan, parang nag-gather ng mga tao sa isang public space, merong magpe-perform. And usually yung mga performances, magaganda. In exchange, yung mga taong natuwa sa performances nila, nagbibigay ng pera. So, ganun sila kumikita.
station, one of the many positive attributes of Europeans, they are fun people to be with. They love to party, hindi sila sumayaw, walang caging sa dance floor. They care less sa opinion ng iba, they are confident and appreciative. Dito lang sa simpleng performance nito, kita nyo how the audience interact with the performer. They clap, they cheer. Ang saya, di ba?
What's a visit to Milan without gelato? Wow, gelato! Gelato!
I like pistachio.
Love. Na 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 na.
Picture.
Yun yung hotel. Walking towards our hotel. Ang init. Mainit siya. Mainit siya. Sabi ng mga Pilipinong dito nagtatrabaho, malamig na raw to. Pero mainit siya, promise. Of course, pag nasa ibang bansa tayo, sumusunod tayo sa traffic rules. Ay, kakaloka. Getting ready. Yan, tatawid na kami.
Importante Baga nagbablur kayo.
Po. Ciao.
Beyond the beautiful pictures or struggles left unseen, here's a glimpse of one of the many challenges a DIY traveler encounters. Still, no regrets. With all those happy memories gained and several pounds lost, who am I to complain? Just happy.
Nandito kami sa train station dito sa Italia, Milan. Mapapansin niyo yung bag ko nasa harap. Kasi maraming Pilipino dito nag-suggest at saka nag-advise na mag-ingat kasi nga maraming pickpockets. So, bilang pag-iingat, yan, if you're traveling, your valuables, lagay mo sa part ng katawan nyo na accessible sa iba. So, if you're traveling, yung mga valuables ninyo, yung valuables ninyo, lagay nyo sa part ng katawan nyo na accessible sa inyo at makikita nyo ang gala. Kasi maraming Pilipino dito sa Italia, specifically in Milan, nagsabi sa atin na ingat. Mabait yung mga Pilipino dito, may malasakit.
Ako pa mo nga yung laptop mo dito, kung dito pa.
Bit na namin mga gamit namin. Punta kami sa Venice. So, it's just a quick, very quick visit. Less than 24 hours dito sa nasa loob na tayo ngayon ng train. Papunta tayo sa istasyon, papuntang Venice. So, unlike Japan, dito sa Italia, you can do whatever you want. Kahapon sa bus, may umiinom pa. So, at least dito kahit pa paano, pwede natin i-record. But, we have to be mindful lang na yung mga private person natin mahal. So, we're currently in the train station. Inside the train.
sa Milano Central Station. Kami sasakay papunta ng Benicia.
Tingnan nyo yung ano. Floor nila.
It was quick but certainly a worthwhile trip. Milan is truly a city close to home. Tagalog seems like a second language kaya ramdam mo ang presensya ng ating mga kababayan sa paligid. Ang dami nating kababayan dito, mga Pilipinong dito na nagtatrabaho at naninirahan. Hindi man namin matandaan ang inyong mga pangalan, masaya kaming makausap kayo ng panandalian at makipagkamustahan. Maraming salamat sa ipinahatid ninyong malasakit at pag-aalala. Hanggang sa muli! Ciao!